Hey guys, today we are looking for a low pressure customized air pressure. When we talk about air compressor, we normally use 8 bar, 10 bar or 13 bars. But for some of the industry like cement, glass, textile or ceramic, they use a lower pressure. If you use a normal compressor, some of the pressure will waste. So we customize this one. It's only 5 bar, can generate 133 CFM, which is 3.5 cubic per minute. The power is 15 kilowatts. So if you are interested, just drop me a line or log to my blog at chinacompressor.org. Thank you.